Major blow to Delhi Capitals as Australian star Mitchell Starc has reportedly decided not to return to India for the remainder of the IPL. According to the Australian Associated Press, Starc informed the franchise of his decision a week after playing in the match at Dharamshala, the game that was called off due to security reasons following air raid alerts in the nearby region. The next day, IPL was suspended due to the rising tensions between India and Pakistan. But now the situation is under control, and after getting approval from the government, BCCI has announced the league will start again on May 17th. Mitchell Starc has been very important for Delhi this season. He has taken 14 wickets in 11 matches with an average of 26.14, which makes him the team's top wicket taker. Without him, Delhi will find it harder to qualify for the playoffs. Starc's wife, Alyssa Healy, who is also the captain of Australian women's team, recalls and shares her experience about the scary night in Dharamshala on the Willow Talk podcast. She said, "Couple of the light towers went out and we were just waiting. I heard a rumor a couple of seats down that we might have to evacuate the stadium cause the lights gone down. And we are large group of family and extra support staff. And next minute the guy that kind of wrangles the group of us and gets us on the bus comes up and his face was white. And he was like, we need to go right now. And we were saying, oh, it's okay, like we are probably best off letting everyone else get out of the stadium and like stay here. We are probably safer at the moment, cause there'll be people going down the stairs everywhere," she added. At first, the match was stopped because of the lights out, but Alyssa recalls that it was a serious situation as she was there in the stands along with the family of other players. Meanwhile, it's still not clear if Faf du Plessis will return to play for Delhi. Tristan Stubbs will return, but only till the league stage end. After that, he will leave to play in the World Test Championship final. Delhi Capitals have brought in Mustafizur Rahman as a replacement for Jake Fraser McGurk, who is also not returning. But even Mustafizur's return is also not confirmed yet, because the Bangladesh Cricket Board says it hasn't received any request for a non-objection certificate. With key players missing and questions still unanswered, Delhi Capitals will have a tough job ahead as they try to reach the playoffs.